This video, we're going to cover everything there is to know about our wall hanging hooks. First of all, they're strong. They're made from metal and you can hang anything you want from them really. A heavy coat or jacket is going to hang from this no problem, as well as hats, scarves, keys, whatever you want. In terms of size, they're about 19 centimeters tall, 5 centimeters wide, and about 6 centimeters deep. And this part here, the widest, if you can see that okay, the widest this part gets to is about 23 millimeters if you're looking to hang something like a belt or keys around that. They come in 8 different colors. So we have here a dark green and a light blue. We have the most popular ones, a matte white or a matte black, as you can see here. So these cool, there's a rich red or a lovely brown. Lastly, a beautiful yellow and a stunning gold. For installation, we recommend a couple of screws through each hole. You want your screw head obviously to be bigger than the hole, but the length of the screw to fit nicely through the hole. If you're making a coat rack, make sure the screw isn't longer than the timber that you're drilling into, of course. And if you're installing into a wooden wall, there'll be no problems at all. And you can also use nails. But if you're going into a plaster wall, try and find the studs when you're putting your screws or nails in. If you're just going directly into the plaster wall, it just may need to think about the weight that it can bear, and if you're putting a heavy jacket on, will it hold in the plaster wall? So that's just something to think about. In terms of shipping, we have these on hand. We usually ship them into 1 to 2 business days, and it's usually flat rate shipping. So if you're looking for 4 or 5 hooks, we can generally put them in a small Australia Post satchel, and then more than that will go in a medium satchel. And we also do a 20 pack of these hooks with free shipping. We hope that helps, and please get in touch if you have any questions.